Hey guys, it's Patty again. In this video, I'm just quickly going to show you how to plant easy window baskets using basic plants. In my baskets, I just have impatient, variegated Vinca, and Supertunia Vista. So come with me, I will show you how easy it is to take care of these plants. If you are a newbie and you're looking for ways to just boost up your window basket and you don't know much about plants, okay? Hey guys, as you come in here, I have impatience by my mailbox, and all these I got from Lowe's. So I have impatience here all around right here, and then you come and this is the entrance to my driveway. I did all of this myself. I did all the gravel myself. So here are the impatience by the mailbox right here, them up. And I planted impatiens before and they just sort of like filled in. Yeah, so right around and then as you pull into the driveway, I have these here. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes, and these are just basic window boxes. So right here in here I have spike, I think Dracaena, I think I'm pronouncing that right. And then over here I have impatiens that I got from Lowe's. Here I have Supertunia Vista, and then here I have Vinca, and these were like $3.28, and it's the same thing that I have here. I have impatiens right here, spike Dracaena right here, impatiens, and then I have variegated Vinca here also. It's a repeat of the same thing here. I have impatiens right here. I have Supertunia Vista right here. I have impatiens, spike Dracaena, and then I have variegated Vinca, and then I have this here also. I have spike Dracaena. I have impatiens, and I have some plant here from Supertunia. I forgot the name. Now the reason why I planted these simple like window boxes is because they're very easy to take care of. You don't have to deadhead them a lot. So deadheading means that you just have to like get rid of the old like flowers so that new ones can make way. So an example of deadheading is like this one here. I'm just gonna take this out here, right here. And you shouldn't be afraid to deadhead because they're all gonna come back, okay? If you are someone that's new to planting, just get basic plants that you know that you can actually take care of, you know. And these has been one of the easiest plants for me to take care of. Deadhead them a lot, very easy. And then yeah, more deadhead in here, right here. Right here, right here, right here, right here, right here, and that's it. I have to water them though, it's so hot. Looking at the one here, I don't have to deadhead anything. Yeah, so I just have impatiens, spike Dracaena, and Vinca, variegated Vinca here. This here, I think the only plant I have to deadhead is the Supertunia Vista that I have right here. So you just take out this one here, one here, one here, and that's it. All right, so now let's go. I will show you the 3 other boxes that I have by my window. Off topic, I love impatiens as a base, so I have impatiens around here. My Pattisguilfordgardenct right here, right here. I wanted to plant something here and I didn't do anything, but they're right here also as a base, and they look absolutely gorgeous. So if you're looking to plant in layers, you should look at impatiens. I know people say it's a waste of money because they're annuals, but hey, life is too short. You gotta enjoy life, okay? So now let's go back to the window baskets. So I have right here, I have 1, 2, 3 boxes, and in here I just have it filled with impatiens, just like I did at the driveway. I have variegated Vinca, I have some coleus here, right, and then I have some planned from Proven Winners that I don't remember. I got them for like $1 at Lowe's. I may have to cut this back so that it can grow. Don't be afraid to cut them back. And then right here, impatiens, spiked Dracaena right in here. I have coleus, I have spiked Dracaena here. It's amazing how these are doing right here. And then in this box, another one right here. Oof. I have another one. Oh, the sun. Oof. Yeah, so right here, look at all this. These trailing things are just so amazing. And then I have more impatiens here that I have to deadhead. They're the easiest plant you can have in window baskets. Like, and then right here, you can't even see the spike Dracaena because these have grown so tall. And then I have more variegated Vinca right here. Let me see if I can show you. So what I did with the impatiens was that I bought, they were on sale for, I think initially they were like 11 bucks, but I got them for $5. And if you can see this, and I just split them into the boxes because I think it's a lot cheaper. I put about $15 of that, and then the variegated Vinca cost me like $3.28. You know, and then I have this Supertunia Vista for like, I got it for $1. I took the sale thing off, so at Lowe's. And then I have, yeah, this is more variegated Vinca. So yeah, very inexpensive window baskets that you can do if you are a newbie. But going just back to the basic is just amazing. 4 main things I'm going to tell you is that you want to use a good potting mix. You can find it anywhere. I get it from Lowe's for $3 or $5. And then you just mix that with some fertilizer. Usually I use Biotone, you know, and then once you plant them, you want to make sure, if you're living in a very hot zone. I'm in zone 6B, which is Guilford, Connecticut. Right now it's very hot and we have a drought going on, so I water them in the morning and in the evening. Sometimes you can just tell the plants need water, so you just want to make sure that you're giving them the right amount of water. And then you also want to make sure that you fertilize them. So every week I use Proven Winners into the baskets or whatever, and then just water that in to just boost them up a little bit. And then my very fourth like tip that I'm gonna tell you is that you make sure you're getting the right plant for the location you have your basket. So for instance, I have a lot of impatiens. So before I was using different plants that were not doing well. As you can see, it's about 4 p.m. and I already have a lot of shade. I think I start getting shade at about 12. So impatiens are doing really well here. They just need about 1 to 3 hours of sun. So switching it up, sometimes if something doesn't work, just switch it up. Make sure if you're planting in a box, note whether the place is getting a lot of sun or not, and just plant the right type of plant there, and you'll be amazed at what you'll get. So I hope this video helps you. You don't have to go too crazy or get confused if you're a newbie planting window baskets. It's very easy. Get plants that you know that you can take care of, that doesn't require a lot of work, and you should be fine. Thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to it, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.